Hi there, my name is Erin Shiflett, and thank you so much for visiting our website. I'm super excited to share with you more about Scentsy. Let me tell you my story first, and then I can tell you a little bit more about how Scentsy works. I live in the United States of America in Indiana, South Bend, Indiana, about 2 hours east of Chicago, but I was born and raised in Utah, in the mountains, Salt Lake City area, and my sister called me one day and she said, "You have got to check out Scentsy." I didn't know what it was, so she told me a little bit about it, and she's like, "I had a great party and I got so much free stuff. You should become a consultant." I was like, "Oh no, that is not my thing." I had a successful corporate career and was loving that part of my life. But she's like, no, you really have to check this out. So she said, well, just let me send you some of my free stuff. And in between her mailing me some free stuff, I had a candle randomly combust in my bathroom, and it almost burnt down my house. It could have been really dangerous, but my husband got it out, and it was all at the same time. So I kind of thought that was a sign of something. I thought, well, this is really bizarre. A candle almost causes a huge fire in my house right at the same time as my sister's trying to get me to sell a candle that is safe with no flame. So I took that as a sign and decided to, on a whim, to spend my $99 and become a consultant. I really had no idea what I was getting into. I'd never even been to a party. I had never even thought about direct sales. It was something that was very, very foreign to me. But I am so glad that I decided to become a Scentsy consultant. So fast forward, I started and my goal was just to make a little bit of money to buy extra shoes or furniture, but quickly I started to earn a big chunk of change every month, and I was always like amazed when my paychecks would come. I would just be like in awe of how I was growing the Scentsy family business. I was working with some of my best friends who also became consultants. We were having a blast. It was easy. And at this time, I had a stepson that was probably, so he's 15 now. He was probably like 8 or 9, because I've been a consultant for 7 years. And I was ready to start a family of my own. I had a hard time getting pregnant, but was able finally to get pregnant with twins, which was amazing. And I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. And so I decided I would leave my corporate job and be at home, which I was super excited about. So I gave my notice, and about a week or a few days after I gave my notice, so that I was going to be a stay-at-home mom and sell Scentsy completely, which was a huge leap of faith, even though I was doing well with Scentsy, my husband also lost his corporate job. So here we are, it's the month of December, 5 years ago, and we have twins on the way, a son that we had about half the time who was very involved in sports, and a brand new house. And I was thinking, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? We have no job, no real job, as I like to call it. We just had Scentsy. I told my husband that we were going to make this work. We were going to make Scentsy work for our family. And so I had the twins, and they were premature, so they spent about 120 days in the hospital. And that entire time, I felt so extremely blessed. They were so sick and literally on their deathbed that me and my husband were able to just spend as much time at the hospital because we had our Scentsy business. And I would sit there on my little phone clicking away on emails while I was holding my little 3-pound baby. So I can't tell you, even if Scentsy fell off the face of the earth right now, that is such a gift to me to have that time to be with my family in the hospital room. So after the twins, I started working on my Scentsy business. After I recovered from the twins, and it took me quite a while, I was working on my Scentsy just full time, and we were growing rapidly, helping thousands of women achieve goals and set their dreams of making income and staying home with their families. Put those plans into place. I got pregnant again and had another baby. So now I have my son who's almost 16, twins that are 4, and a baby who's 3. And me and my husband get to work our Scentsy business full time. And we've been able to do that and be home together for 5 years. So that is my Scentsy story. In addition to all of the obvious successes, the money, we have had a ton of trips. We've earned lots of free trips: Hawaii, the Bahamas, Mexico, Alaska. We've earned an Alaska cruise, a Disney World trip, lots of different things that we've earned, including bonuses. But my most important part of Scentsy is just the company itself. It's an amazing company with amazing people. Some of my very best friends have joined me on this journey, and some of the people I've met on this journey have become my best friends. It's an amazing opportunity for you, being from Australia or from any new part of that Scentsy has gone into. You can grow a business from a small investment. For Australia, it's 139 Australian dollars, and that is nothing compared to what you'll make in return. So take this chance, join our team. We will have so much fun. You won't be disappointed, and in a few years, you can be telling your Scentsy story and all the successes you've had with it.